Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the major changes introduced in Projects module to simplify project budget structure and reporting. Project budget is now exposed at the project level. Budget records are now available directly on the project's form. In the user interface, the project budget is split into two parts: revenue budget and cost budget. However, all budget records are stored in the unified structure of the new PM budget table. Depending on the revenue budget level setting of a project, revenue budget can be defined with different level of detail, which is selected per project, either by task or by task and item for bigger projects. If you want to restructure revenue budget, for example, a project started with revenue budget by task and then an extra level of detail became needed, you can remove records from the revenue budget tab, change the revenue budget level to task and item, upload new budget records from file, and run the project balance validation process to make the system reveal the actual and committed amounts and quantities by the new structure. You can validate project balances on a special processing screen where you can specify whether you want the system to also recalculate unbilled summary, rebuild commitments, and recalculate draft invoices amount or not. Thus, we have restructured our sample project revenue budget. You can analyze project profitability by revenue budget line of a project, regardless of cost budget structure. You can have a set of project tasks for revenue budget and billing and a different set of tasks for cost accounting. For profitability analysis, you can link the cost budget lines to the appropriate revenue budget lines by specifying revenue task and revenue item references on the cost budget tab of a project and aggregate costs by reference in reports. You can use a quick filter by project task on the Revenue Budget tab and Cost Budget tab of the project's form, and continue working with the budget records in a filtered view. Add new budget lines with the current task, modify filtered records. You can use quick aggregation of budget amounts by selecting the Group by Task checkbox on the Revenue Budget and Cost Budget tab of the project's form to review totals by task without having to run any report. You can easily slice and dice project balances by task, inventory ID, and account group by means of pivot tables that you can create on top of a generic inquiry that retrieves data from the PM budget table. The following generic inquiry and pivot table are now available out of the box in the Projects module for budget analysis and export of budget records to Excel. Budget Details Generic Inquiry and Budget Summary by Account Group Pivot Table. You can use this pivot table to view the project balances by account group, and also you can drill down from a balance amount in the pivot table to the list of budget records that constitute that amount. You have reached the end of the demonstration. Thank you for watching.